There are actually few ways you can make money on Radium, but based on the views of meme coin and everything, people have actually forgotten about the liquidity and how you can make money by providing liquidity for Radium and how high their APR is. So this is tremendous. Like, there is no Solana that can give you this kind of stuff. You know, like crazy, bro. Like 200%. But this the problem with these places now is checking for the volume and knowing that these pairs. I think I made a video on this pain before it actually blew up. So now I'm checking and seeing how you can get up to 400% in a year. APR 24 hours, you know. So, like, this is crazy, bro. Providing liquidity here is safer than most meme coins because people forget that when they buy a meme coin, they don't get their money, they get the meme coin. The same as buying the watch. You get a watch, your money is gone, but you have the watch. And most times you might not be able to sell for the same price you bought, no matter how precious the watch is. So, even though most times you may sell higher on meme coins, but these are actually very strategic ways to keep you afloat. So now if you want to deposit for Solana and USDC, you have about 116% for, weekly reward 600 Ray 3k. So perfecto. These are other pairs you can explore in case you have meme coins you want to lock up. You check for your favorite meme coins here and type the pairs. Let's check Vine and see if we have a pair for Vine. You have a crazy Vine, maybe a Vine amount you want to lock up. You actually have 169% on Vine for 24 hours. So in case you love this, let's check Trump. Let's say Trump. In case you bought a Trump token and you are sure, you are very convinced that Trump is actually going to do well in the long run and you don't want to sell, you don't want to panic sell. Now Trump and Melania have 600%. There are risks in this too, because once you have staked now, whether it's going down or going up, you cannot unstake until your time. Like, there are actually possibilities that impermanent loss, that's what they call it. So impermanent loss is one of the disadvantages of staking, in the sense that a price of a token was $10 when you staked. You may have had that 600% APR during that time, but the price of that token reduced to like $3. So you may have more tokens but with lesser value. You cannot unstake until the stipulated amount of time. So most times I prefer stables. If you find a platform that can give you a good rate for stables, you can be there and stake it. So these are actually very mouth-watery percent APRs for these pairs here. So why not? You mustn't always trade meme coins all the time, but this is how to make money, providing liquidity for these platforms, and I'm sure most of them have this liquidity.